This is maibaum fence. Maibaum. And I really don't want to get hit by a car. I really don't know where I'm going. I'm supposed to help cook. Yeah, that's what I thought. Over here at the sawmill, as you can see, for the lumber. Lots of children. Ugh, I have no idea where I'm going. I feel so stupid. I thought I'll walk around first. I don't know. I don't know the point of this. And it's really hard to do this stuff alone. Well, lots of children. Oh, I think that's it. Hi! Oh, look. I'm going to take that and pull it up to the top of a pole. I don't know when though. I'm no clue.
Brauchst dich anrufen, hast du Babyphone? Hey, Neighborshop.
Neighborshop! I'm supposed to have cook! John said I was going to put my...
Hast du eine Babyphone?
No, it's a movie. It's a video. You know YouTube?
Ah.
YouTube on the internet?
Ah.
I put it on the internet. And all my friends can see me. If I have any. Oh. I think she said Lisa, not Tina. She said, I don't even know where I'm going. But I'll view Justine. Justine is in the... I think they're going to play something, or I just missed them playing something. See, they don't know. Nobody has black pants on. Nobody has black shoes. Got a big fit about black shoes and black pants and white shirt. Oh, we didn't. And it wasn't a fit. It was a discussion, a rambling around the house. Spattering of applause. Is there any more? Oh man, it's so politically incorrect. Wow. is people, firemen, and some shooting fest people. And I know, well, John was in this group. I know the guy with the blue hat, he's the mayor, or the burgmeister. The guy in the black hat is Minard, he's John's friend. Oh, the other guy way in the back is somebody, I don't know his name. Ah, this is awkward. I don't know if I want to remember this or not forever. This is just all my instincts. Say run.